Before we go into the game, I'm just going to ask you to give me some examples of an amphibian. What are some examples of an amphibian?
Frog.
Yeah.
Salamander.
Salamanders. Anybody else? Anything else?
Toad.
There you go, toad. I feel like there's one more. There's another that you guys talked about in class.
Can I give him a hint?
Squid. Snakes. Lizards.
It was a weird thing you learned about, and you probably don't, maybe not remember that word. They look like snakes. Do you remember this?
Oh, the axolotls?
Little legs.
An axolotl is.
There you go. I mean, that's
An axolotl is one, but what I'm talking about, they look like snakes, but they're like slimy.
The weird worm?
The weird worm looking.
Yep.
Do you remember, anyone remember the name?
Didn't it start with like an N?
With the C.
Oh.
It reminds me of this type of pizza.
Didn't they have like little arms and stuff?
Not those. Do you guys remember the word Sicilian?
Yeah.
That, yeah. That's
Yeah,
a worm.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about some examples of reptiles? That should be. Yeah. There you go.
Turtles.
Turtles.
Lizards.
Yeah.
Alligator.
Yeah. There you go. All right. We're gonna start it now. Ready? Okay. First question is going to be. So these animals are adapted to live life on land. 3, 2, 1.
Remember, red is amphibian, green is reptile. What do you guys think?
Which one? Okay, I see a lot of green, so let's see. Yep, but those are reptiles. They're adapted to live life on land.
Tally it in your head.
Yeah.
You got it right.
All right, next question. This name means water loving. So these animals are water loving. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yep, amphibians. And then these animals evolved from fish. 3, 2, 1. Yep. And these animals, their evolutionary time period is called the Permian period. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a little mixed here.
You guys think?
Okay. And that is, they're amphibians. Now, these animals have well-developed lungs. 3, 2, 1. Okay, reptiles. Yep. And this was the first animal to lay the amniotic egg. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there are a few reptiles, amphibians. So reptiles.
It's on your test. Don't do that. Reptiles.
All right. These animals have glandular moist skin. It seems 3, 2, 1. Yep. This was easier.
I know the answer to this. I didn't learn it around.
Okay, these animals contain the orders Testudens, Squamata, Crocodilian, and Tuataras. 3, 2, 1. Yep, it gives it away, Crocodilian, right there. These animals, their larvae start life with gills. 3, 2, 1. Yep. You guys know all these. So these animals, many of them don't have vocal cords, but can bellow to attract mates. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Ooh. And these are reptiles.
Remember the crocodiles in the video?
Mm-hmm.
They're trying to mate. They were like vibrating the water to get mates.
I don't think that would work for humans.
Sorry, guys.
These animals, they consist of frogs, salamanders, toads, and coelacanths. 3, 2, 1. Yep, amphibians. And these animals have the ability to get away from a predator by dropping their tail. 3, 2, 1. Yep. I thought that was a little, that shocked me when I first learned about that. These animals can absorb oxygen through their skin. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Amphibians. Because a lot of them, since they live in the water too, they need to be able to absorb the oxygen. Okay, next question. Some of these animals contain pigment cells called chromatophores. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got some reptiles, we got some amphibians. Let's see. Amphibians.
Zombies waiting.
Yeah. Most males have 2 copulatory organs called hemipenes. Okay, what type of animal is this? 3, 2, 1. Reptiles or amphibians? Ooh, we got a few amphibians. We got some reptiles. These are reptiles. Let's see. External fertilization with an amplexus. What type of animal does this? 3, 2, 1. Amphibians? Yep. Good job, good job.
Surprised. Good job.
These animals have moderately yolky eggs with jelly-like membranes. The eggs lack complex membranes or shells, so they have to be laid in water or moist areas. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got some reptiles, we got some amphibians.
How was it the frogs in this?
Amphibians. Oh, now this is easy. These animals have dry and scaly skin. 3, 2, 1. Yes, reptiles. These animals contain the orders Caudata, Anura, and Apoda. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Amphibians, yep. These animals do not need water to reproduce. 3, 2, 1. Yep, reptiles. And then these animals use vocal cords to attract mates. 3, 2, 1. Amphibians. The frogs. You guys remember those tree frogs? These animals can move by lateral undulations. 3, 2, 1. Reptiles. Remember the snake moving laterally. Okay, these animals dominated the Mesozoic era. 3, 2, 1. Got some amphibians, we got some reptiles. So reptiles.
Remember, what was amphibians? Permian.
Mm-hmm.
We said that, so.
And reptiles, they came after that then. Okay, let's see. These animals can undergo metamorphosis. 3, 2, 1. Amphibians. Yes, that's correct. Okay, these animals contain species that are venomous. They have hemotoxins and produce hemotoxins and neurotoxins. 3, 2, 1. Okay, reptile. That's right. Okay, the poison on these animals' skin is used on arrowheads. 3, 2, 1. Amphibians, we got a few reptiles. Sorry, amphibians. Poison dart frogs. And we're done. All right. Good job.